So there's also a very interesting discussions about the user experience involvement in data visualization, how the user experience of your data visualization looks like. Is it something which the user is comfortable to use, or is it something which is very complicated? Now, before moving into the user experience aspect of the visualization, we should first ask why we are going to focus on user experience. And the answer to this question can be your user is going to work on the graph you built or the dashboard you created. While using it, they are going to feel in certain way, and it can be either a negative or a positive feeling. They are either very comfortable in using it or they find it very difficult. They always go through a help document you built to see how to use your visualization or study the visualization, and you made the controllers very unintuitive and it's very difficult to navigate it through. And also it can happen that you might have created some visualizations or some features which the customer will never find. It's really heartbreaking for any developer or designer, I will say. And there are some studies and tested principle from the domain of user experience which can help you, or I will say guide you in the design process and the development process to meet the user expectations. So why not use them? For example, if I show you this chart, this is a very common chart used in stock market. Now I will tell you what is wrong with this chart. You might look into it and then you may say the scales is not right. The data is very small. There are two charts. I'm not able to see the bar graph clearly. The distinction is not right and many other things. But if you see from a user experience point of view, there are many other problems which you could find, which you might never find from a point of view of a data engineer or data analyst. For example, one of very odd phenomena which is related to human eyesight is that if you are a red color blind person, then you will be probably seeing this chart like this. Now you can see that I am not able to differentiate clearly between those red and green. In the top one, I can really see where the greens are and where the reds are, and that's probably giving me one more dimension to this bar chart. But in the below one, they are almost undistinguishable. So I'm losing one dimension and I'm losing one specific information which the coloring is depicting. That can be a crucial information. This example was not that intuitive and common. You cannot really say that how the colorblind person will look into this graph, but there has been some instances where people have faced issues, and as a developer and designer, it's our responsibility to make the solution as much stable and better as we can.